To change quarter length in NBA 2K25 Quick Play, we start from the game's main menu. Here you can see NBA 2K25 selected on the PlayStation home screen. From the main menu, you need to navigate to Features, then select Settings. This navigation path will take you to the game configuration options. Once you access the Settings menu, you'll see various game configuration options. Here's an example showing the quarter length currently set to 5 minutes, along with other game settings like difficulty and fatigue options. You can adjust the quarter length within a range of 1 to 12 minutes in quick play mode. Here's the same settings menu showing the quarter length set to the maximum of 12 minutes for a more realistic basketball simulation experience. This quarter length setting allows you to customize your gaming experience. Choose shorter quarters for quick, arcade-style games, or longer quarters for a more realistic NBA simulation with detailed gameplay and strategy. Once you're in the Settings menu, you need to locate the quarter length option. This setting controls how long each quarter of your NBA game will last. Use the controls to select your desired quarter length. You can typically adjust this anywhere from 1 minute to 12 minutes, depending on the game mode you're playing. Longer quarters, such as 12 minutes, provide a more realistic NBA simulation experience. This allows for more strategic gameplay, proper player substitutions, and better foul management throughout the game. Shorter quarters result in quicker games with fast-paced action. This is perfect for casual play sessions when you want to fit multiple games into your available time. Remember that the best quarter length is subjective and depends on whether you prioritize realistic stats, faster gameplay, or other factors specific to your playing style. The key is to experiment with different quarter lengths until you find what best suits your play style and objectives. Don't be afraid to adjust this setting as your preferences change over time.